How to launch innovation when you are strapped in a budget. How to innovate without significantly changing the product. Welcome to Business and Management Podcast. Hello my friends, how are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Ludi. In today's episode, we're going to tackle a common challenge faced by many businesses. How to launch innovation when we are strapped in the budget. We all understand the importance of continuous innovations. We understand how innovation can drive business success and growth. However, the reality is not every company has the luxury of abundant financial resources. Not every company has an army of employees dedicated just to launch innovations. But fret not, there is a solution. And it lies in the realm of commercial innovation. So, what exactly is commercial innovation? You may ask. Well, it is a concept that revolves around making the innovative changes mostly on the conceptual or commercial aspects of your business. Commercial innovation is keeping the product itself relatively unchanged. In simpler terms, you are adjusting the way you communicate to your customers without undergoing major transformation for your products. The beauty of commercial innovation lies in its cost effectiveness. You can execute commercial innovation with limited budget and leaner workforce. It opens up new avenues for businesses with resource constraints to foster innovation to stay ahead of the game. Now, let's dive into some practical examples of commercial innovations that you can apply into your own businesses. One such example is the packaging design refresh. This involves altering your product packaging's artworks and visual elements without changing the formula of the product inside. For example, imagine a deodorant product with a new, fresh, eye-catching packaging that revitalizes its appeal while still maintaining the deodorant formula inside. No change to the formula. It's a subtle change that can breathe new life into the business, into the brand, without breaking the bank. Another avenue for commercial innovation is conceptual innovation. This entails introducing a new concept for existing brand in the market. Sometimes all it takes is launching a new captivating advertising campaign. The ads creatively highlights the product's benefit in an engaging and fresh way. By adjusting your angle of communication, you can tap into different customer segments and reignite interest into your brand. For example, imagine a shampoo product that traditionally promotes its ability to repair damaged hair. With the same shampoo formula, you can also introduce a new concept that the shampoo can also protect your hair from the harmful rays of the sun. It's a simple twist that expands your product's proposition. The same shampoo for damaged hair can also be the shampoo to protect your hair from the sun. Additionally, we have seasonal packs. This innovation approach involves creating a specialized packaging dedicated for a specific festive season. So, instead of introducing new product or changing the formula, you can change the packaging of your existing product to reflect the spirit of the season. For example, think of Christmas special packs or Mother's Day bundle pack. The product itself remains the same, but the packaging is transformed to reflect the spirit of the season. The packaging is aligned with a corresponding seasonal period. It is a clever way to captivate customers and enhance their experience without significant investments. Now, I would love to hear from you. What are your experiences in innovations in your own business? Have you explored the realm of commercial innovation? How did it work out for you? Please take a moment to share your thoughts, insights, success stories in the comments below. Your contribution can inspire and enlighten fellow listeners and viewers who may be facing similar challenges. If you find that this podcast is beneficial, then I kindly ask your help to support by clicking like or subscribe. Don't forget to share it with your friends so we can spread the benefit. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.